class number 3, Dance Monkey. Ano ang tawag dito? Ayan. Nak, ano to? Coffee?
Coco Fred.
Coco Frame? It's new?
New. Coco Fred.
Coco Fred. Ayan, marami pala akong pag-aralan. So, another one. What is this?
This one, Tiki Watermelon.
Tiki Watermelon.
This one,
Wow, my favorite color. What is this?
this one called name Tropical Storm. Tropical Wave.
Tropical
Wave.
Wipe?
Wave. W-A-V-E.
Web.
Wave.
Okay, so ayan po yung itsura niya, madlang peeps.
Yan. Mapipina ko I cannot give.
Yan yung mga bago naming drinks ngayon at yung bagong glass niya. Ayan, mga tiki yan. Tiki drinks. Bilib talaga ako sa dalawa naming barman. Si Rafi Col kasi 6 years yan. Si Ali magwa 1 year.